Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable any app on Android. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show how you can do it. So one thing you need to know is that you cannot disable any app that you see on Android. Apps that can be disabled are only the system application apps and specific ones. So let's say if I go on to gallery, there's no way that I'm going to find disable because it's a crucial app for our phone. Any other application that you do install, in other words, third-party applications, for you to disable it, you have to uninstall it. So yeah, let us check out how you can disable apps. So if I go onto gallery, okay, and I click on the information button on this window, okay, once I click on it, as you can see, you're going to find an option called disable, but I cannot disable this application since it's a crucial application for my phone. So there is no way where I can disable it. Now, in a third-party application, it's going to be uninstall, and for an application that I can disable, it's going to be disable. Now, an application like this is Calendar. If I go into Calendar and Information, as you can see, I can find something called Disable. And like this, I disabled the app. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.